Before you place another bet, you have to learn 3 sports betting basics so you can become a profitable sports bettor. So, the first one, bankroll management. This is how you protect your money. Only bet on only bet with money you can afford to lose. For an example, right now, let me say in your bankroll, right, you have an amount of 100 Rand or $100 depending on your currency, right? Sharp. As you have that money, you don't have to bet with 70 Rand just because you're sure that Arsenal is going to win. Arsenal might not win, guys. Some things just go sideways, or that they would go the way we want, right? So yeah, don't bet with money you don't afford to lose. Second one, set a fixed bankroll. Your bankroll budget, for example, okay, you have 100 Rand, so you only bet with 10 Rands. That's a fixed budget for your bankroll. 10 Rands below, going below. So yeah, the third one, bet a small percentage per bet. So let me say, okay, as I said, your bankroll might be 100 Rand, then you might bet with, as they say, 1 to 5%. You might bet with 5 Rand or 3 Rand. Remember, right here, right? We are looking at the long term, not short term. We are not trying to make 500 in a day. No, we're trying to grow our bankroll slowly. No, in a safe way, so you cannot lose everything in one bet. So yeah, again, never chase losses, guys. Just because you lose 5 times, sometimes you should take a break. I made a video on that. You could watch it if you want, on how to deal with losses. So yeah, guys, even the best analysis fail without a bankroll management, and that's true. I don't want to lie, that's true. So yeah, second, odds and value. So right here, odds show risk versus reward, not certainty. So right now, right, higher odds also come with higher risk. Higher odds equals to higher risks. The higher the odds, the higher the risk. Lower odds are safer, but they give you less profit. They have less profit, but they are guaranteed. Sometimes. So yeah, value bets means the odds are higher than real probability. I'm not sure if you understand that, but you will understand it if you just read there by yourself and pause the video. So yeah, guys, don't bet just because the odds look safe. Just because the odds are 1,10 doesn't mean the team could win, guys. You should also check the players. Sometimes the players are gone. They've been playing for the AFCON, for their whole league, like the AFCON. Most players were gone. In the other team was United, and the odds were obvious, and I lost my bet that day. So yeah, guys, don't just bet because the odds are safe. You should research, make your research, analyze. So yeah, guys, winning bettors focus on value, not just winning bets, guys. You should check. You should be sure of your bets. Don't just place a bet just because you wanna bet. Be sure of what you wanna do. So yeah, the third one and last one, match analysis and discipline. This is how you choose the right bet, right? So yeah, analysis for motivation, injuries, and stats. As I said, right, sometimes when you bet, you don't have to just check the last 5 matches and the standing. No, you have to go there and check the best 11 and research the best 11 of that team and search whether are all those players there, are all the strikers there, middle fielders there, defenders there, on the best 11 for that team. Because there might be a possibility whereby, okay, the other player's injured, the other player went to play for the AFCON or another competition or tournament out there. So yeah, you should check for those kind of things, right? Yeah, so choose the right market. For example, both teams to score, BTTS, overs or unders, draws, etc. Like, you should know which market you are good at. If you are good at draws, bet on draws. Don't bet on both teams to score. No, focus on what you're good at, you know. So yeah, you can build your bankroll positively. Yeah, then you should also avoid emotional and rushed bets. Just because Arsenal is playing with another team and you feel like you're late, you just bet just because the odds are obvious. No, Arsenal might lose. You should do your research, like analyze first before you do everything. Analyze, guys. Imagine betting with 10k without analyzing. Nah, you might lose it, and you might have stress after that. So you should always analyze, guys. Take your bet seriously because you are growing your bankroll. You might reach a stage where you have to bet with 10k per bet, right? Not as 10k is your bankroll. Maybe your bankroll might be at 230k. Then you take like 10k. Every bet you just place 10k on average. So yeah, stick to your strategy and be consistent with it. And let's not forget, guys, discipline turns average analysis into long-term profits. Long-term profits, guys. Could make profits if you really focus on your strategy. Just because your strategy didn't work today and you want to, it means it won't work the other day. Doesn't mean you cannot build it higher. You cannot grow your bankroll with it. You just have to stay consistent on it, guys. Don't change. Don't be changing just because you saw someone winning. Let me just say, someone placed a bet with 10 rand, they win for 500. No, that's luck. You all know that it's luck. So yeah, guys, simple rule to remember: money management plus value plus discipline equals to long-term survival, which means long-term profit, as we know. So yeah, guys, if you really want to learn something new, you can click on the video on your screen and don't forget to subscribe.